Alright, so here's how to fix headset mic not working on Windows 11. So let's get started. First of all you're gonna do is simply go to the search bar and search for sound settings, guys. There you go. Simply open this up. And now from here, once you have done to here, simply go down. And as you can see, the volume is right there. So if you're getting like this spike in your volume section, this might be because you have the right microphone connected to your PC. If you're not getting any kind of spike, then it probably the microphone is not working well. So for that reason, you need to go to this option called input. Then from here, you will probably see different types of option. So as you can see, here is the headset for me, but I'm currently using a microphone, so I will select that microphone. But for your case, you need to select the headset. All right. After doing so, let me just close this up and go to the search bar and search for microphone privacy settings. There we go. Simply open this up. And now from here, as you can see, guys, we have the microphone access on, and there are lots of application is here. So if you're using any of the application but the microphone access is turned off, you need to simply go and turn this on like this. So you must give the access to the application, otherwise you will not gonna use the microphone on that particular device, on that particular application. So after doing so, you can simply close this up, and once again you can search into like sound mixer option. From here, guys, you can simply go and select your input device as the earphone you are using right now. So also you can go back, and from here you need to go to the more sound settings. Once you have done to here, you can simply go to the recording section, and from here you will probably see the microphone. So there are lots of microphone available here, but I'm using currently individual microphone, so this is selected as set default. All right, so that's how you're gonna fix the issue headset mic not working on Windows 11. So hope this video helps. If yes, please leave a like, and we'll see you next time.